What, doesn't taste good? Tuppence doesn't taste good? No. Froggy? What happened? What? That is so fake. That is so fake. It was so fake. It was fake. Bryson even knows it was fake. He does. He even knows it was faking. You're not even being serious, crybaby. Are you a little crybaby? Are you a little crybaby? Excuse me, Cammy. Cammy, are you a crybaby? You are.